Flower Mechanic here, and today we're working on a Volkswagen TDI. Customer came in with a real bad cylinder 1 misfire and a check engine light, and we have the camshaft removed here and found one of the lobes completely worn off. We pulled the camshaft out and pulled the cam followers, and this is the bad cam follower that is under that lobe compared to a new one, as you can see here. So yeah, vehicle is running real poorly. We made a few checks and pulled the valve cover off, and this is what we found. We were able to get the camshaft out without removing the high pressure fuel pump. We did have to remove the timing belt, but all in all, not that hard of a repair. It doesn't seem like it caused any problems, any other problem to the lifter itself, so we're going to be replacing the cam followers. This one ended up needing cam bearings along with a new camshaft, and that should take care of this one here. But yeah, here's another shot of that cam lobe. Kind of hard to tell how worn it is, but the tip of that's worn out pretty heavily. And over here I'll show you it compared to one of the good lobes. You can see how high that one's sticking versus that worn off one.
Oh, look at this one. This is not good.
Oh.
Yeah, here's the number one bearing.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. This is full of copper.
Oh yeah, that ain't good.
That's not good.
So, was that on the top side?
This is the bottom side. Now look at this. Look at the scratches in that.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
You know, and that one. So the wear is pretty uneven. I haven't looked at this one yet. That one looks a little bit better. Yeah. And then this one, and that one doesn't look so good either.
You need some bearings too then.
I'm not so sure I'd buy one of these motors.
Right.
You know?